Calorie is not a calorie.
Calorie is a calorie. Calorie is a unit of measurement. It's not going to determine whether a food is good or bad. It's more about looking at what is the nutrient composition of those meals. Depending on the nutrient composition, the food composition, the macronutrient distribution of that food is going to determine whether it's more filling, it's more nutrient dense, it's less nutrient dense. Therefore, some nutrients or macronutrients will have a bit more impact on how they're metabolized in your body compared to others. This doesn't mean that a calorie isn't a calorie. It's just the way it is being used is very misguiding.
Proven that food quality matters as much, if not more, than food quantity.
No, food quantity and food quality both are equally the same as important, because you can't just override the quantity, because quantity is going to determine the amount of calories you're consuming. And at the end of the day, calories in, calories out, calories are going to matter when it comes to energy intake, energy expenditure, and what is the total energy balance at the end of the day. However, quality still matters, because obviously we want to make sure we're getting enough nutrients, fiber, protein, and all the things that are going to not just give us the calories, but also the nutrients that are needed and that are essential for our normal function, satiety, and managing hunger if you're in a calorie deficit, or provoking adequate muscle growth if we are trying to build muscle. There's nothing good or bad. It all depends on the context. So at the end of the day, all of these claims are half truth, half fake, trying to increase fear-mongering around some of these topics. I truly believe that you don't need to get super extreme about these claims. You can just eat food, be smart about your choices, and be very intentional about how you take this information in, and choose who you listen to.